How to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to iPhone without iCloud. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to iPhone without iCloud. To transfer WhatsApp from one iPhone to another without using iCloud, you can use WhatsApp's QR code transfer method. First, install WhatsApp on the new iPhone and sign in with your phone number. A QR code will appear on the screen. On your old iPhone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, select Chats, then tap Transfer Chats to iPhone. Scan the QR code on the new iPhone to start transferring your chats. This method moves all messages and media directly between devices without needing an iCloud backup. Just ensure both iPhones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for a smoother transfer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.